Ever pondered how to cultivate an abundance mindset? It's like gardening. Your mind is the soil, fertile and ready for planting. The seeds are thoughts of prosperity, and with the right cultivation, they can grow into a bountiful harvest. This mindset is more than just positive thinking. It's a powerful tool that can transform your life. It's about recognizing the infinite possibilities around us and tapping into the abundance that already exists. Unlock the abundance within and transform your life. Imagine planting gratitude seeds in the garden of your mind, each seed representing something valuable in your life, something you're thankful for. The water that nourishes these seeds is your daily practice of gratitude. It hydrates your mindset, fostering growth and nurturing abundance. As these seeds start to flourish, they transform your mind garden into a haven of positivity and prosperity. Now let's sow the seeds of positive affirmations. These are powerful statements that shape your reality, your beliefs, and your actions. They are like sunlight, essential for the growth of your mindset garden. When you affirm your worth, your potential, your abundance, you're shining a light on the possibilities that lie within you. Remember, your words have power. They can either stifle the growth in your garden or encourage it to bloom. So, let your words be your sunlight. Speak words of abundance and possibility to nurture your mindset. Ever encountered weeds in a garden? Limiting beliefs are just like those weeds. They sprout unnoticed, taking root in our mindset, slowly choking the abundance we're trying to cultivate. These beliefs whisper words of scarcity, of impossibility, of fear. They're the nagging doubts that say, "You're not good enough," or "You'll never succeed." But just as gardeners identify and uproot weeds, we too must recognize and eliminate these limiting beliefs. We must starve them of attention and instead nourish our minds with positivity and possibility. But weeding out these beliefs isn't always easy. That's where abundance mentors come in. These are the experienced gardeners of mindset cultivation, those who've walked the path of abundance before us. They provide the wisdom, the tools, and the encouragement we need to grow. They help us identify the weeds of limiting beliefs and replace them with seeds of abundance. Learn from the successes and insights of abundance mentors. Visualize an abundant harvest with clarity and intention. Picture the fruits of your mindset garden, overflowing with prosperity. This isn't just daydreaming, it's a powerful tool that can shape your reality. Now, generosity is like fertilizer for your mindset garden. By sharing resources freely, you promote abundance, not just for yourself, but for others too. It's a cycle, you see. The more you give, the more you receive. Then there's inspired action. It's about tending to your garden with care and diligence. You may have the best seeds, the most fertile soil, but without action, nothing grows. So act on opportunities, follow your passions, and trust in the abundance that surrounds you. Lastly, patience and trust. Like waiting for a seed to sprout, abundance takes time to manifest. It's a journey, and sometimes the journey is the destination. So trust in the universe's timing and have faith that abundance is on its way. Cultivating an abundance mindset is like tending a garden. It begins with planting gratitude seeds and nourishing them with positive affirmations. We weed out limiting beliefs to make room for growth and seek wisdom from abundance mentors. We visualize our prosperity harvest, enrich the soil with generosity, and take inspired action. Patience and trust guide us as we wait for our abundance to bloom. By planting seeds of gratitude, nurturing positive affirmations, releasing limiting beliefs, and embracing abundance mentors, you can attract unlimited possibilities into your life.